everyone, it's Aurélie, Miss Georgita on YouTube, Ravelry and Instagram. Today is a very sunny day here in Brest. I opened the window just behind you, so I hope there will not be too much noise, maybe only the birds. So today I'm opening the Paradise Fibers Fiber of the Month Club. Last time I talked about the March box that I was half happy, half sad about it because of the merino and because of the troubles about the pictures and the ideas that I've already seen on World of Wool. So after my video I received an email from Paradise Fiber that just said that they watched my video and they wanted to make sure I will be happy with the next one, the next box, and that they have a partnership with World of Wool, so they don't steal anything. So I'm really happy that they sent me an email because well, I don't have a lot of views on YouTube, but they take the time to watch it, to understand what I say and to answer me. So I'm really glad, and I think it's a good thing for shops to answer their customers' questions. And so they said to me that they will be in the next box mixed with merino, silk, cashmere and faux cashmere. So I was like, oh, that would be great, and here it is, it's just there. So for me that's a very good point for Paradise Fiber, because they really listen to their customers, and so I will, I think, continue to have the box, because well, you really feel that they think about you, that they listen to you, and that's really great. And the second thing is that so it takes a long time to arrive to me, because we have troubles here in France. We have big strikes on the planes and trains, and I think maybe in the administration or thing like that, because it takes two whole weeks to arrive here in France, in my house. And the longest part was between the French facilities. It arrived the 7th of April, and it arrived at my house the 17th. So it takes 10 days just to go from Paris to Brest. It's like just maybe 4.5 hours, maybe 5 hours of cars. So well, I don't know why, but I think it is because of it. And I received a bigger box than the usual one that I saw on the YouTube and things like that, and I was like, but why? And so I opened it. Honestly, it was yesterday that I pick it at the post office, because it was too big for my mailbox, and yesterday I didn't have time to record a video, so I decided to open it and to make the video later. And so when I opened it, I found the Paradise Fiber of the Month Club box, and I have that with it. So it is I just draft some. It's a silk hankies that were dyed in purpose shades. We have a lot of purple, a bit of that's green, some blues, and yes, some more blue purples, green and pink. And it's been like, it's I think it's around 60 grams, so a little more than 2 ounces, just for my birthday, because next week it's my birthday. And there was a little card in it, and well, with a beautiful quote, just let you where it came, with a little word in it. And honestly, for me it was like, if I wasn't convinced that Paradise Fiber was very great, I think this is something that would make me think so. Because, well, there is not a lot of shops that give you something for your birthday and not just giving you a coupon code to buy something. Even if, well, you will buy something that we like, but a present with buying nothing, except the Paradise Fiber box, just really, really great, I think. So, first part, and the second, we'll just close the box for you. So it could go into my mailbox, but with the biggest box that was here, that don't fit. So open it. So it's a white paper with bits of colors and rainbow things. So the papers, this one. There is one first box. It's white faux angora, so to match the white rabbit. And well, I don't put everything in place, so I will just open inside. In the middle of the fiber there was this little egg with a little "it's me," like in Alice in Wonderland. And inside, oh! There was a little bit for tea. It's a coupon code. A tea chocolate. And the Mentos. I'll try to close it. Perfect. I'll show you inside. There was this, it's paper, some gold and some blue. Blue is one of my favorite colors. When I was little, I wanted princess's dress with blue, only blue. And all the dress that were sold in the stores were pink, and I was like, no, please, blue. And now with we can call it in English. In France we call it La Reine des Neiges, but in English. With Elsa and Anna, you see what I'm talking about. There is blue dresses, but when I was little there wasn't like much blue dresses. It was Cinderella, but it was too old. Aurora, the Sleeping Beauty, but it was blue or pink, and the pink version was preferred by girls because it's pink. And no, I don't think there was other colors, but when I go to stores, went to stores, sorry for the conjugation, it was only pink, and so blue, lot of blues, it was good. The stickers of this month, so rabbits with this beautiful cute little kettle and cakes and things like that, and it's a ship. When I knew that it was Alice in Wonderland box, I was like, maybe the ship will be the Mad Hatter with a beautiful hat, or the Wet Rabbit, and it's the Wet Rabbit. There is also a little box with Spin Me right on it, and it's Angelina in it. Oh, sorry, this is my wheel. As I have a lot of sun on the afternoon after going back to work, I changed where my wheel is, so it just go in my bedroom. We are in my bedroom. So it's blue, yeah, with gold sparkles. Very pretty. I have in Angelina I have dark blue, but not light blue. I have also the purple one of the last time. I have red, gold, silver. I have some green, so the dark blue, and I think it's all. But it's very, I just need maybe orange and a pink-ish, but I have nearly anything I need. And so it's an exclusive Fiber Club blend. So this is the blend that they talked me about in the mail. I really love the packaging this time. This box, the paper in it with the drawings, it's just beautiful. And so the mix, it's, well, as I say, I love blues, and when I saw a lot of pictures in Instagram, because, well, when you just receive everything like 2 weeks later, you just have to see something on Instagram. So I was spoiled, but when I saw it, there is some pictures when you see more the purples, and some where you see more the blues, and I was like, I don't know how it will be, and honestly it's very soft, and as it's 18.5 microns merino, and so everything else it's just soft, it's silk, it's cashmere, it just can be soft. When I see it in person, the color, I still don't know what to think, because the blues and the pinkish orange red. The mix between the two, I will not say I don't like it, but in general it's color that I don't mix. But well, I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. I think I will spin it in a thick single, I think, because that's something I really want to spin this time. That's not something I'm used to, and so I want to try with different blends how it gets. And this white, I have a lot of natural colors projects, well, little spins with very soft fibers. Like I have a mix with a ply of Polworth and a ply of silk, white silk and case. I have one with mohair plied with some cotton thread. I have one with I think, wait, yes, it's Angora, real Angora, and another fibers that it was short length that I mixed on my blending board and just pinned like that. I have a lot of that project in white, and I have also something that we call sandwich. It's a mix with different people. Each one give 150 grams of fibers, and we split each fiber in the number of participants. So we have a bag with a lot of different breeds and colors or fillings and things like that. And at the end we have 150 grams each of these little bits of everything. And I made 3 bats that I spun. I think it's a 2-ply each one. Yes, I think so. I don't see them, but and each one is a gradient from a light white or light color to a very dark one. Each time I think it's black. And I really want to make something with it, like a waving project or a knitting project with everything. So I kept a little project like that. I also have from the Camarjort fibers, if I say it correctly. Also a luxury blend fiber with cashmere, yak, merino. It's not cashmere, it's camel, and a blend with merino and cashmere, very fine cashmere, very fine merino, sorry. So merino and rose fiber, and so each time it's white or cream or grey. So I really want to spin and make a whole project with it, so we will see. So this is the box of the month. I hope the next one I will have it sooner, so I won't be too much spoiled, but well, we don't know, as we have we will continue to have troubles in France until end of June for the strikes, so I think he will continue that way for a few months. I hope you enjoyed it. I will try to make other video, not openings or things like that. I want to make a video where I talk to you about how I began to knit and spin. I want to try that, and maybe we'll talk to you about my weaving project that I have currently. For the spinnings, for the moment I just done a lot. For the moment I have some, I'll try to show you. It's some pure silk. It's silk brick from I don't remember, but I will post the link in the description box down below. And well, in knitting project, I have something with Handspoon yarn, a big shawl from Lucy. Yes, I think it's Lucy, with a lot of cables, a round shawl. I have a big sweater that I will not knit for the moment, as it will be like 25 degrees this weekend, but no problem. And I have a very easy project because when I work on shifts at the hospital, I need a very easy, mindless project to knit when I have like 10 minutes, so I just keep it for that. So this is it. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a great day, and see you next time.